Hi, in this tutorial, I will guide you through the quick setup of the instant reward campaign. In the first step, you have to enter the basic details like campaign name, status, expiry date, and the landing page of the referral link. Once set, click on update to update the settings. Move to the next step to configure the coupon to be issued. Enter the basic details of the coupon, including name, validity, description, checkout link, which is the link where the coupon can be used. You can select either unique coupons or issue the same coupon to everyone. Click on submit to update the settings. In the next step, you can customize the text of the pop-up. The text you enter here is the same which is visible in the pop-up. You can also select the pop-up image. The image is the same which is this image on the left hand side of the pop-up. This is a 400 by 400 pixel image. You can configure the color and the button text. This is the button for which you are entering the settings. Click on next to enter the basic details of the feeds like Twitter text, Facebook title, Facebook description, and a feed image which is a 200 by 200 pixel image. Once done, move to the last step where you can configure the URLs to display the pop-up. So just copy paste the URL of the page where you want to display the pop-up. Select absolute if you want to show only on this URL, or select relative if you want to show on all the URL which start with this URL. Select the number of time you want to show the pop-up or the delay if you want, and click on submit to enter the same. You can enter multiple URLs or change the URLs anytime through the edit section. Once done, you can integrate our JavaScript code into your website either through one of the popular plugins like OpenCart, PrestaShop, WordPress, Magento, or Drupal, or for any other platform you can directly just copy paste the JavaScript code into the footer of your site. That is it, your campaign is configured. You can edit the campaign anytime by going to the My Campaign section and clicking on edit. You can view all the analytics of the campaign through the admin panel. Just select the campaign for which you want to see the analytics for. This is it for today. Thank you.